Bullish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 10 cents to 14 cents. Dogecoin cost could reach $1 soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. In this Dogecoin cost expectation 2023, we will break down the value examples of Doge by utilizing precise merchant agreeable specialized examination markers and anticipate the future development of the digital money. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a famous image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a shared and open-source digital currency. Not at all like Bitcoin. Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work agreement instrument that depends on the script calculation. This presents less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to handle a block, while in Dogecoin, the block time is 1 minute. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla chief Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his incessant help for it appears to speed up huge cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. Dogecoin positions 8th based on coin market cap and conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time period. In the above graph, Dogecoin spread out a level channel example, flat channel otherwise called the sideways pattern. By and large, the level channel is framed during the cost solidification. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which interfaces the lows, run on a level plane equal and the cost activity is held inside it. An even channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in solidification. At the hour of examination, the cost of Dogecoin was recorded at 7 cents. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the obstruction levels of 10 cents and 16 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Doge might tumble to the help of 8 cents and 6 cents. Dogecoin obstruction and backing levels. The outline given beneath clarifies the conceivable opposition and backing levels of Dogecoin in 2023. According to the above examination, in the event that Dogecoin's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its obstruction level of 14 cents. Alternately, assuming Dogecoin's bears overwhelm the pattern, the cost of Doge could plunge to 4 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength record of Dogecoin are displayed in the diagram underneath. The specialized examination marker relative volume is utilized to gauge the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is regularly determined by partitioning the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predetermined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Likewise, it helps merchants in distinguishing surprising exchanging action and changes market opinion. At the hour of investigation, the RVOL of Dogecoin was found underneath the end line. Subsequently, it signifies a powerless volume of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This energy marker is utilized to streamline cost information and distinguish patterns on the lookout. It helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout the course of recent day. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upswing, and whenever laid beneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Quite, in the above graph, the Doge cost lies under 50 MAMA, showing its downtrend. Thus, Doge is in a negative state. Albeit this is the present status, a pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the general strength list. Essentially, this examination marker assists brokers with deciding the strength and energy of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by contrasting the normal additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 period. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Consequently, the readings over 70 demonstrate an overbought state, and under 30 show an oversold state. Essentially, merchants frequently utilize the RSI to recognize potential pattern inversions or to affirm the pattern's course. For example, on the off chance that a resource is in an upswing and the RSI comes to an overbought perusing of 70, it might propose that the resource is expected for a pullback or revision. On the other hand, on the off chance that a resource is in a downtrend and the RSI is in an oversold perusing of 30, it might propose an expected inversion. At the hour of examination, the RSI of Doge is at 42.51. Consequently, this demonstrates Doge is almost in an oversold state. Likewise, this affirms that Doge conveys a purchase signal. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. ADX, RVI in the beneath graph. We dissect the strength and unpredictability of Dogecoin utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers, normal directional list, and relative unpredictability record. To examine the strength of the pattern energy, let us observe the typical directional file. The ADX esteem is gotten from the two directional development markers like plus DI. DI is communicated between 0 to 100, as per the information on the above diagram. The ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 4.17251, bringing up a feeble pattern. The above diagram additionally shows another specialized marker, the overall unpredictability record. This pointer estimates the instability of a resource's cost development over a particular period. Concerning the outlines information, the RVI of Doge lies under 50, demonstrating low instability. Correlation of Doge with BTC. ETH. Let us currently analyze the value developments of Dogecoin with that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of Doge is like that of BTC and ETH. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of Doge additionally increments or diminishes separately. Dogecoin value expectation 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized investigation markers and pattern design. Let us anticipate the cost of Dogecoin somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Dogecoin value forecast 2024. In the event that bulls overwhelm the value energy in pattern designs, Dogecoin could effectively test and outperform its opposition levels to hit $1.50 by 2024. Dogecoin cost expectation 2025. The huge redesigns in the Dogecoin biological system could convince the passage of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately help the Dogecoin cost to reach $2 by 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. If Dogecoin effectively tests its significant opposition levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then, at that point, it would mobilize to hit $2.50. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. If Dogecoin supports significant obstruction levels and stands as a superior speculation choice on the lookout, then, at that point, Doge would mobilize to hit $2.90. Dogecoin value forecast 2028. If Dogecoin holds a positive market feeling in the midst of the profoundly unpredictable crypto market by driving critical cost rally, then Doge would hit $3.50 by 2028. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, then the crypto would observe significant spikes. Consequently, Doge could hit $3.70 by 2029. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. By 2030, the Doge cost could revitalize to $4, assuming that the pattern energy adjusts for Dogecoin. Moreover, Doge would hold a positive market opinion and be named as a drawn-out venture with profoundly productive return for capital invested. And if Dogecoin secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be positive for the digital currency. All in all, the bullish Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is 14 cents. Nearly. The negative Dogecoin cost expectation